to Neenas Thai kitchen. For today's ranch recipe, we're going to cook crying tiger beef.
Wow, it looks so good. Each piece has some fatty.
Crying tiger name comes from this special dipping sauce, which is supposed to be very spicy that it will make a tiger cry. Any cut of steak will work. Marinate it just a bit. Air fry or pan sear.
First, I'm going to use fork and poke it a little bit, not too much.
Poke it so that marinade sauce can get into the meat. I normally marinate it only 30 minutes and leave it at the room temperature. While I'm ready, I'm going to prepare the sauce, so it will be done at the same time. Method 1. Air fryer.
I'm gonna air fry it for 5 minutes. Wow, look at that. Now I'm going to flip it to the other side.
Air fry another 4 minutes on the second side.
And wow, it looks so good. Let it rest.
Method 2. Pan sear. At medium-low heat, pan sear both sides for about 3 minutes.
Okay, this one is after 3 minutes is done. Wow, it looks perfect to me. I'm going to do the fat a little bit here. This one is just extra. Okay, I'm going to put it up here. We're done with this one. How does it look? Looks yummy.
Grilling the steak is one of the best choices. Cook it to your desired doneness, but medium rare is recommended for this dish.
Each piece has some fatty.
Here is the key of this dish, Nam Jim Jaew, or Thai spicy sauce. We're going to start with dissolving sugar and water first. Then add all the ingredients and mix it well together. If you don't have tamarind concentrate, go ahead to use lime juice instead. So you're going to use 2 tablespoons of lime juice. I'll show you how to make the roasted rice powder at the end. It's very simple and easy. Chili powder or chili flake is a must for this one. You can use a little bit first, but the fresh chili is optional. Taste it and adjust it per your taste. It's supposed to be spicy, salty, sour, and have a very nice flavor of the smoked, nutty, roasted rice powder. Let's eat. You can easily just dip the steak with the sauce or eat it with lettuce. This is my choice. It's also perfect with sticky rice. See how to cook sticky rice in my previous video. This is how we enjoy this dish. Yum yum! Good news! For people who live in southern of California, there is a Thai festival at 99 Ranch Market. On February 4th through February 20th, there will be cooking show as well. Check on the detail at 99 Ranch Market. Here's how to make roasted rice powder. At the medium heat, just roast the sticky rice until it turns golden brown. Then grind in a food processor or a mortar and pestle. Strain it to get rid of the big pieces. This recipe requires only 1 tablespoon of the roasted rice powder. You can keep the rest of them in a sealed container at the room temperature, about 6 months to a year. Or you can use it with chicken lard salad. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you will cook this dish at home. And don't forget to like,